How to connect RadioLink RC8X with TBS Crossfire. TBS Crossfire supports PPM and CRSF signals, so you can connect RC8X with it via PPM or CRSF. I will introduce the collection of the two signals. Here are RC8X transmitter, TBS Crossfire module, cables, and battery. 1. Connect RC8X with TBS Crossfire via CRSF signal. Here is the cable. Connect RC8X DSC port with audio cable, which has ground in the signal wire. Pay attention not to plug it into earphone jack. And then modify the other end of the audio cable. Solder 2 pins to the wires, and then connect them to GND and CRSF on TBS Crossfire. And here is the diagram of TBS Crossfire. So please distinguish the two cables to confirm which one is ground wire and which one is signal wire. If the collection is reversed, no signal will be found. And here is the signal wire. Here is the ground wire. Here is the right collection of CRSF signal. RC input and the EXP port collects well too. So the collection is done. Now, power on TBS Crossfire and RC8X. No signal in RC input, which means there is no successful collection. So we need to select the right signal output on RC8X. System menu, external input output, and set the protocol output mode to CRSF. And we can see here is CRSF signal in RC input, which means the collection is successful. And 2, we can also collect RC8X with TBS Crossfire via PPM signal. Just need to collect the signal wire and ground wire to PPM and GND respectively. Plug the signal wire from CRSF into the first one, PPM. Then the collection is done. It shows no signal in RC input. So we need to select PPM out in RC8X. Set protocol output mode from CRSF to PPM out. Now it shows PPM in RC input, which means the collection is successful. By the way, if you are not good at modifying the cable, you can connect them with the cable that comes with TBS Crossfire. Here is the cable that comes with TBS Crossfire. Connect one end to DSC port of RC8X and the other end to RC input of TBS Crossfire. The collection is done. And set the protocol output mode to PPM out. And we can see here is PPM in RC input, which means the collection is successful. After the successful binding of RC8X to TBS Crossfire, you can bind TBS Crossfire receiver to TBS Crossfire module. Then you can use them to operate your model. When you connect any other module to RC8X, you can check its diagram and refer to this tutorial to connect them. That's all. Thank you.